Want to see here, Winter? Winter, come here. Let's go try this. Let's try this one. Where's the water from? See, Winter. What do you want to do? You don't like water, huh? You want to get out of here? Of course. Marking it down with your scent. All right. Can we go now? Nice, beautiful day. Thank you, Lord, for these. You're an awesome God. You never fail. Come on, honey. No, you gotta turn around, please. Can you go around? Hey, Mr. Winter. Go around, no? You need to go around, Mr. Winter. Good boy. Come on. No. Go around. You're not gonna be able to get. Come on, go around. Right here. And then come back. Right here. What jeriga? Hi, my dog. Let's go. Let's go. Where are we going? Come on. Now look at him. He's gonna come this way. You go around, Mr. Winter. Okay, get back. Let's go. I'm going home. That's it. No, not going there. We're going back. Time to make breakfast. Right?